Hi, my name is Sandro and I am a Drumkit tutor for Surrey Arts, and this is the Drumkit. This is a 5-piece drum kit, which means we have a snare drum, we have the toms here, 3 toms, the bass drum and the hi-hat, a crash cymbal and a ride cymbal. This is an electric drum kit, but later on we'll see an acoustic drum kit being played. Now I'm going to show you very quickly a few exercises called rudiments that we usually use as drummers when we are practicing on the snare drum, and you can copy using some sticks or perhaps using your hands on top of a table or on your laps. I'm going to show you how to play the single stroke roll. I'm going to play 4 times and then I'll give you space and you can repeat it. Here we go. And again. Very good. I'm going to do now the double stroke roll and you can copy after me. Last one. Excellent. Now I'm going to show you how to play a paradiddle, which is a very important rudiment. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And again. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. If you want something a little bit easier to remember, the name of the rudiment is Paradiddle. So you can say pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do. I'm going to play it now and you can copy me. I'll help you with the last one. Pa, ra, di, do, pa, ra, di, do. Now I'm going to show you a few of the rhythms from all around the world that you can play. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in playing this beautiful instrument, let your teacher know and we hopefully will be able to play together soon. Bye!